Does the insurance adjuster get to dictate the price of a roof replacement due to hail damage? I don't know. We're going to talk about it on today's Denial of the Day. So Michael writes into us, do not use the insurance company. We've had severe hail and wind damage done to 2 roofs at our commercial properties. They said that we have total roof coverage. However, they're not paying what the contractors have estimated. Important. First, they wanted to do small repairs, even though their own inspector acknowledged it was beyond repair. And then they wanted to pay for part of the roof. And that's, if you had a patchwork quilt roof to begin with, you might be owed a patchwork quilt roof after you're done making a claim. However, if it's a uniform appearance and they're trying to come back and piecework it together, like, no, we're not going to do that, right? And so one of the things that I want you to understand is this, is the insurance company owes for what is reasonable and legitimate. If the price is reasonable and legitimate, they owe for that, right? I mean, depending what your policy says, and that's my caveat to everything, is based on what your policy says, this is the foundation of everything we do. Before we even take on a claim, we'll review the policy and say, hey, look, we might be barking up the wrong tree. Or this seems like a legitimate claim that we should be taking on to help this client, this insured, fight the insurance company because the coverage is in the policy. Why isn't the insurance company paying it? So based on your insurance policy, right, okay, is the foundation. If you have the coverage, why isn't the insurance company paying for it? That is our job to figure that out. And if we then agree, like, yeah, you know what, the insurance company's not paying because of this, this, and this, that's outlined in the policy, there is no coverage, we can't help you. Or the flip side that happens the vast majority of the time, which is the insurance company owes for it, they're saying this, this, and this, we're saying none of that is relevant and it is covered under this portion of the policy, and they're saying it's rejected or excluded or not covered based on this portion of the policy. And that's where we get into figuring out how do we get the claim fully and fairly paid for you, the insured. So if you're a commercial property owner, commercial property manager, commercial general contractor, commercial roofer, commercial real estate broker, if you are any one of those types of folks, contact us today. If you have a claim that you're working on or one of your clients is working on and they're not making progress with the insurance company, bellatorclaims.com, contact us today.